Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I would weave in ends on a stockinette project where the wrong side is a purl side. So I'm going to demonstrate this with a contrasting color. You get kind of these rows of what I would call an octopus. I'll put something like it on the screen, but I'll also try and show you. Here's an octopus. So you have the stitch, and then you have one strand that goes up on the left, around, and down. So it creates kind of an upside down U with curls on the bottom, like an octopus. So I'm going to mimic this. So if this is my stitch, I'm going to mimic this strand here. So this strand goes up through the bottom, up on the left, down on the right, and then down through the middle. So if this is where my yarn is coming out of, so I'm going to go up through the middle, up on the left, like this, pull through. Then I'm going to go down on the right and down through the middle. Okay, do you see how we kind of have that octopus shape? And then I'm just going to go in a row across. We find the next one over, which is this one right here. Go up through the middle, up on the left, pull through. And you want to kind of mimic the same tension, so you don't need to pull very hard. You're just going to pull until it kind of lines up with the stitch below it. And then you go down on the right and down through the middle. And if your top piece is getting stuck, you can kind of just flick it until it sits nicely on the one below it. So there we've done two. And then I just keep going. So here's the next stitch over. So I go through the bottom, up on the left, pull through. Then I go down on the right and down through the middle. And we just keep doing that until I've done about 4 or 5 stitches. And if you can, you want to do this on an area that isn't too noticeable on the right side. Like if you're knitting a sweater, I would try and do this closer to the armhole or the shoulder instead of right next to like the chest. Here's what it looks like from the right side. It's fairly invisible from the right side because you're just mimicking stitches, and it would be even more invisible once I blocked it. And then to finish it off, go through part of the left side that you've already done and split the stitch, so you're only picking up half of it. Kind of going through the middle of the strand and go through, and that's it. I would then cut my yarn, leaving a very short tail, like about that short. That's how I weave in ends on a stockinette project when I'm able to weave in on the purl side. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Liking the video is very helpful, as is a subscription if you like my videos. I put out tons of free tutorials and patterns. You can also shop my knitting patterns on Etsy and Ravelry. Thanks for watching.